Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with Monday.com. We'll start on your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the workspace where you actually manage your work. Next, open the board you want to connect with Twilio. This should be the board that holds the items you'll notify about, things like leads, support tickets, or delivery updates. It's helpful if the board already contains the details you plan to use, such as a phone number column or a message field, so the integration has something to reference later. At the top of your board, look for the Integrate option in the toolbar. Depending on your layout, it might appear in the top right as a puzzle piece icon labeled Integrate. Click Integrate to open the Integration Center for this board. Inside the Integration Center, find Twilio and click it. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar to locate the Twilio app tile. This is where Monday.com lists all of the ready-made recipes that link your board's activity to actions in Twilio, like sending a text when a status changes. Choose a sample template to get started. Templates are pre-built automations that you can customize. Picking a sample speeds things up because the triggers and actions are already outlined for you. You'll just tailor the details to fit your board's workflow. You'll now be asked to enter your account. This means securely signing in to your Twilio account so Monday.com can send requests on your behalf. Follow the on-screen prompts and keep your credentials private. Never paste sensitive information into item updates or column notes. The connection window is designed for secure authentication. Once your account is recognized, click Connect to authorize the link between Monday.com and Twilio. After a moment, you should see that the account is connected and ready to use. From here, the system will guide you through any remaining fields in the template site that you selected, so the integration behaves exactly the way you expect for this board. That's the core setup. You went to your Monday.com home, opened the right board, launched Integrate, selected Twilio, chose a sample template, signed into your account, and clicked Connect. With the connection in place, you can fine-tune the template's options and start automating timely SMS updates directly from your board's activity. Thanks for watching and enjoy building faster, more responsive workflows with Monday.com and Twilio.